don't tell my mom. I mix you with my vodka, and it turns me on. There's a hole in my heart and I can't find the bullet, but you sleep with a firearm. I should have pulled it on you. What a shame, I can see it all now that we're through. I get drunk with my friends. Your name never comes up. I tell strangers online that we broke up. There's a hole in my heart and I hate that it's there, 'cause I like to act like I really don't care, but I do. What a shame that I put up with you. What a joke, was it all just an act? I hate that it took me so long to react. You had me convinced that you loved me. What a f***ed up reality show. Was it fame or the lack thereof? I just don't know. You had me convinced that you loved me. I'm not sure you realize the pain that you cause. I don't feel like talking, but everyone else does. There's a hole in my heart and I can't find the bullet, but you sleep with a firearm. I should